Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very traditional classy wedding guest makeup look using some affordable products. Also here I'll show you every step, so if you are a beginner, you can create this easily. I have never done a smoky eye with a sari, so I was little nervous, but the look turned out so beautiful that it became one of my favorite. So I can't wait to share this with all of you. And also this sari is from Rangoli Gadiyahat, which is in Kolkata. So without wasting more time, let's get started to the video. To prep up my skin, I'm using the moisturizer Bio Coconut from Biotique, and I'm using my fingertips to apply this all over my face in a circular motion. Always make sure your face is well moisturized before makeup, otherwise the makeup will not last long. And then I'm priming my face with the Color Bar Perfect Match Primer, and I'm applying this on my T-zone and then gradually drag my fingertips on my cheeks and chin. Then I'm correcting my face with this LA Girl Pro Orange Concealer, and I'm applying this on the underneath my eyes, around my mouth, the dark patches that I have on my face, and on my eyelid, and also on my acne scars. And now I'm blending it with a damp beauty sponge. Now make sure you are not drag the sponge. You have to dab the sponge into your face, because otherwise the concealer will spread all over your face and you don't want that surely. It's time to apply the foundation, and for that I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour foundation, and I'm applying this with a buffing brush. I'm going to take the foundation with a brush and going to buff it all over my face. After the application is done, then I'm going to drag my brush in a small stroke, and make sure the strokes will be upward always, and I'm going to blend my foundation. Now it's time to conceal your face, and for that I'm using this Fit Me concealer in a shade Sand Sable, and I'm applying this around my mouth, on the bridge of my nose, on the underneath of my eyes, and on my eyelid as well, little bit on my brow cheekbone and little bit on my brow bone as well, to highlight my face. And as it's a smoky eye makeup look, so make sure you will conceal your under eye area very well, otherwise you will look like a panda. Now I'm going to blend all the concealer with the damp beauty sponge, and this one is from Pune store, and this is a very good sponge. It will soak all the excess product, and also it makes the base look flawless. Then to set all the concealer and foundation, I'm using the banana powder from Makeup Revolution, and I'm applying this with a damp sponge, and I'm applying this on the underneath my eyes, on my eyelid, and on the bridge of my nose, around my mouth, and little bit under the hollows of my face. And it's summertime, so I'm going to bake my face. I'm going to leave the powder for like this for about 5 to 6 minutes, and then I'm going to dust it off with a face fluffy brush. Now for my eye makeup, I'm using this single palette. This is my Swiss Beauty palette in shade 06, and first I'm going to dust off the excess powder from my eyelid, and for that I'm using a fluffy eyeshadow brush. And now I'm gonna use this light peach shade and applying this on my crease line with the same fluffy brush. Also I'm going to apply this beyond my crease line, also a little bit on my eyelid to give it a natural tint. For a smoky look, you always have to make the transition beautifully, otherwise your makeup will look like you apply a tint without any blending, so you'll not need that for sure. And now I'm using this orange shade as my transition shade, and with a small fluffy brush I'm using this I'm applying this on my outer crease line, and slowly in a circular motion I'm going to apply this on my eyelid, and drag the brush from the outer side to inner corner. Here I'm doing the exact same thing with the other eyelid, and also I'm going to drag the brush and apply the orange tint on my lower waterline. Make it more natural and big. Now I'm going to spread black kajal on my eyelid with this Faces Canada Ultim Pro Kajal in shade Jet Black. Now this is going to make your smoky eye look more black and more intensive, and also it will make the smoky eye look last for long, for really long, and also your eye makeup will not crease for the entire day. Now I'm tight lining my eyes with the same kajal from, and this tape will make your eyes look more and open. And now I'm using the brown shade. It's a powdery matte brown shade, and I'm using this all over my eyelid with the help of this smudging brush, small smudging eyeshadow brush. I'm going to apply this over the kajal, and also make sure that you are not going over the crease line. You are always working with black or brown shade under the crease line, otherwise it will mess up the look, the entire look. When you are done with this, now it's time to blend it thoroughly, and for that I'm using this kind of flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to blend the edges and also the eyeshadow because I don't want any kind of harsh edges on my eyelid. And also I'm going to blend the pink eyeshadow again for any kind, to avoid any kind of dark edges. Now I'm applying the Faces Canada same kajal which I used earlier. I am applying the same kajal on my lower waterline, and this time I am only applying this on the outer third of my lower waterline. And now with the same eyeshadow, small eyeshadow smudging brush, I'm going to smudge my lower waterline kajal, and for that I'm using the same brown eyeshadow. It will lock the kajal into that place and it will not smudge for the entire day, and also your under eye will not look black. Now I'm going to dust off the powder that I have on my on the underneath of my eyes, and now I'm going to use the palette and I'm going to use the shade, and I'm applying this on the hollows of my cheek to warm up my face a little bit. It will gives you a very soft natural look and also avoid any kind of whiteness. And now I'm using this V face contour blush, and I'm using the pink shade and applying this on the apple of my cheek, on my nose, a little bit on my chin, and also I'm sharpening my jawline with the same palette. I'm using the contour shade, also contouring my nose with my fingertips. And now I'm using this highlighter shade, and I'm applying this with a fan brush on the bridge of my nose and on my brow bone, on my cheekbone as well. Now for my brows, first I'm going to dust off the excess product that I have on my brows with a spoolie, and then I'm going to fill my brow gap with the L'Oreal Brow Kit, and my shade is medium 01. First I'm going to fill my brow gaps with the angular brush, and I'm going to give a shape my inner corners brow with some vertical strokes, and that's it. This is how I define my brows for this look. I'm not going too crazy, I'm just going to define it. As you can see, it's natural and yet well defined. Now I'm going to share a secret. Now I'm going to apply the pink shade which I applied first on my eyelid. I'm going to apply this on the in the inner corners of my eyes, because sometimes when we apply dark shade on our eyelid, it will make the eyes look smaller. So to make it bigger and open up, I'm going to apply the lighter shade first on my inner corners, and then I'm going to apply the highlighter to the inner corners of my eyes. Now I'm going to curl my lashes with this Body Shop lash curler, and I'm going to apply the mascara from L'Oreal False Eyelash Mascara. First I'm going to apply the primer, and after 4 to 5 seconds later I'm going to apply the mascara for both of my upper and lower lash line. And for my lips, first I'm going to light my lips with this Miss Claire lip liner in a shade rosy red, and then I'm going to apply a lipstick from Miss Claire. It's a creamy matte lipstick in shade 02. In this look, the eyes are super dramatic and black, so I need to keep my lips very nude and classy, so I choose the combination of two. And now I'm gonna put my bindi and jewelry, and also I'm gonna put this sari. I wear it in a regular way. I choose a red earrings because I have red in this sari border, and also the blouse is red. And for this look I kept my hairstyle very simple and open, and that's the look. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such videos.